Hi guys, Bill Bacardi. Hopefully everybody's well. Just got home. We're going to pick another lock tonight, guys. This one is Bronx Lock Picker 60. We don't have a key for this one, but it was sent to me by Daz Evers. I'm going to try and blow through all these locks, guys, so I get them sent back out. Now that it's cooled off a little bit here. It was only like 70 today. It was really nice. Oh, there we go. Let's get that locked in the vise. Are we squared up there? I can't even see. Why? What's going on here? Okay, that's a little better, huh? Yeah. Okay, I can live with that. I'll put my coffee over here. Gem in 18 thousandths. 50 thousandths pry bar. Holy shit, this lock has been picked and picked and picked, guys. Top of the keyway won't even go in it. So I think we're going to go bottom of the keyway on this one, I guess. And that don't leave me much room to pick, though, I can tell you that. Let's see what happens here. Well, number 2 just gave me a little turn on the plug there. Everything else is locked up, though. You know what? We're not going to use that tension wrench. That's just too tall. Let's use this little skinny guy here if we can. Yeah, that'll work. That gives me a little more room in that keyway. It's like a really short, fat key. I don't even know what kind of cylinder this is. It's just got an N on the front of it. Oh, that was a good click on. I think that was 5, guys. 4, 3, 2. Oh, we're open there. Wow. Okay, let's leave that in front. We're going to take it, guys. That's got a kind of a funny clip on the back of it. You know what? I'm going to use my big pinning board because that other one's just too shiny. I made some new ones and they're just too shiny. I tried it yesterday out here. Nope. Okay. Hopefully I'm in frame there, guys. Yes, I got to move way down away from you when I use this pinning board, guys. Huh. I don't want to lock it back up because I don't have a key for this. Where's my little... There it is. And of course you can't get... Oh, there it is. I got it. It's like an E-clip. It's pretty cool. Okay, which way's my pins? Over here. Okay, let's get a shim in the back of him. I think I need to pull out a couple new shims, guys. I'll have to go to my van and get them. I don't have any in here. Man, that's a tight lock. I can't even get a shim started in there. Okay, we are in. Let me turn this around this way. Let's see what my buddy Bronx Lock Picker put in here for me. Okay, that follower is not going to fit. What's going on here? There you go. The green one fits. Okay, we don't have no keys for this, so I can't show you. All the pins are in and working, though, guys. And I see threading in... oh, I'm sorry. See all the pins inside there? I see threading in 2 and 4 right now. Very nice. Serrated spool in 1. Serrated spool in 2. Spool in 3. Serrated in 4. Not a serrated in 5. And we have threads in 2 and 4. I don't know if you can see them or not, guys. I hope you can. Okay. Let's see what's up in the top of this guy here. God, that shim is stuck in there. That is really tight. Okay, I got it. Got it. Okay, let's go this way. Let's see what our buddy Bronx Lock Picker put in here for us. Spool number 1. Steel spring up above him. 2 is... Oh, wow. 2 is a long... Like multiple serrations on that. That's a cool pin, Bronx. Very nice job, sir. 3. Another really serrated and spooled upper. You know what, we'll take the rest out of the back here. Man, I hate these followers. You know what, I'm going to change this follow out right away. Okay, much better. Much better. I hate them hollow followers. Everything falls down the middle of them on me. Okay, number 5, we have another. Wow, that's a deep spool. Wait till you see that one, guys. That's a nice pin. Awesome. Steel spring. 4. He just barely poked his head above the shear line. And I don't have a spring in there. Okay. Is there no spring in there? Let's see. No, there's no spring in 4, guys. Maybe somebody forgot to put it back in. Oh, no, there it is. He was in there. He was stuck. I see the tip of it's twisted a little bit. That's why he was probably stuck on this cap up here, guys. And he's got threads, I see. Oh, yeah, he did some work in that Bible. Threads in 1. No, only in 1, guys, I see. Awesome job, Bronx Lock Picker. Daz Evers, thank you for sending me this lock. I really appreciate it, my friend. I'm going to try and get through them real fast so I can get them sent off. I'll bring us down to the pinning board here, guys, so you can see what's in here. Let me get my pick back. I'm sorry. Okay, so at number 1, we had this really cool key pin, like a bomb spool. It's got a spool in it here and a serration on the top with this spool up above it, steel spring. A serrated here with this awesome serrated up above it, copper spring in that one. Yeah, this pinning board is much nicer. We got a, I'm going to say that's a spool there, and then this is a serrated spool up above it. That's exactly how he was in there. I took him out, so pretty cool pin there. Then this really long spool here with a couple serrations on it in the Bible, and then this serrated in the plug. And then in number 5, we had this serrated with this pin this way in it. Long spool. So it would actually fall down in that chamber and give you that false set really hard. Oh, and there is more threads. The top of that lock slid backwards right now, guys. Here, I'll show you. 1 and 3 are threaded. Now that it's got no spring pressure on it, it just slid right off of there. Let me make sure. I'm going to stand this up right here, guys. Let me just make sure that there's no more threads in that plug. So, see, I'm looking through. Oh, yeah. 1, 3, and 5 were threaded in the chambers in the Bible. Awesome job, Bronx. Very nice lock, my friend. A lot of fun to pick. And thank you to everyone that watched. Thank you for all your support. And have a great night, guys. Take it easy.